The story has begun from a residential interior project located in Mississippi entitled NATCHEZ TRACE, completed by Sean Anderson Design. This northern Mississippi home was built in 2004. The structure of the home needed very little work, and Sean Anderson sought to modernize it for its owner Angela Cook. In modernizing this grand Mississippi home, interior designer Sean Anderson ticked off one of his long-standing design bucket list items and infused new life into a traditional style home. As for the design, Anderson was keen to honor Cook's personal aesthetic, but was allowed to interpret this freely to suit what was needed for the home. The interiors pursue a modern interpretation of classic living. The floor plan lends itself to more traditional function, and Anderson wanted to honor that in how the spaces were appropriated. The result? A softer, relaxed aesthetic with rich textures and soothing palette. Certainly, the French provincial exterior of the home led Anderson to pursue a transitional interior design style that skillfully blends the original structure with modern revisions, like the addition of a scullery to improve the previously disjointed and isolated kitchen space. Anderson also played a hand in choosing some of the art, such as the wooden wall sculpture, Beauty, in the dining room, which was crafted in collaboration with a woodwork artisan in Memphis. It's a close tie between the kitchen and living room for Anderson's favorite space, with the latter allowing Anderson to incorporate the aforementioned Mont Blanc stone fireplace alongside other statement pieces.